Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use VN video editor. So here I've already opened the VN apps, and then in this VN you can just click on the plus icon to start a new project. You can choose whether you want to start a new project from scratch, or you can use a story, or you can use overlay, and you can also use a template from VN. I'm going to use the templates, so you can just click on the templates that you want. So for example, this one, and then you can just download the template first and then use it later. And I'm going to click on new project now. So choose the video that you want to edit. For example, this one right here. Nope, not this one. And then click on this arrow here, and in the editor page you can make some adjustment. You can add music in here, just clicking this, and then you can choose the music that is provided by the VN apps. And then you can also add some subtitle. You can also add some sticker right here by clicking this, and you can also adjust the volume you want to. If you want to mute the sound, you can just click on this, and you can also add some filter into the video right here, and you can just click apply to all to apply to whole this video like that. And you can also adjust the speed of the video, and you can also trim the video like this into whatever duration that you think fits your need the most. And there's also effects. So this is the effects that you can use like this. Okay, when you're done editing, you can just click on export, and the video will be saved right away. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe our channel for more videos. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.